You're putting your mitts on? Huh? You're putting your tickle mitts on? You can do it. Hey, come here. That a boy. Here's one. There, you've got your tickle mitts on. Here's your book. Here's your book. Jacob, what's the tickle monster do? Where does the tickle monster tickle first? Does he tickle your footsies? Does he tickle your piggies? Does he tickle your piggies? Can Jacob tickle his piggies? You want Grandma to be the tickle monster? Huh? Here's your other one. Put your fingers in it. There. Okay, where does he tickle first? Huh? What's he tickle first? The tickle monster tickles your piggies. You know, tootsies. Yes, he does. He tickles Jacob's tootsies. See the tickle monster? You want Grandma to put him on and I'll tickle you. No, you like to wear them yourself. Oh, you gonna let me wear them? Okay. And I'm gonna tickle Jacob's tootsies. Tickle, 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 tickle those tootsies, tickle those tootsies, tickle those tootsies. And then we're gonna do those bony, nubby knees. And then we do that tummy, tum, tum. And then we do the armpitties. Tickle, 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 tickle. And then the necker. Yes, we get them all, don't we? Yes. See? We did the tootsies, didn't we? Now what do we do? Now we're going to do those knobby bony knees. Those bony knees, those bony knees, those bony knees. There's the tickle monster. And then after we do the bony knees, we do the little tum-tum-tum. We do the little tummy-tummy-tum. Yes, we do. We get a tummy-tummy-tummy-tum-tum. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And after, there's a tickle monster. And then after we do the tummy, what do? We get a necker. The tickle monster gets a necker. He gets a necker over here too. Tickle, 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 tickle. Yes. And after we do the neck, what do? What do we do after that? Then we do our underbitties. We do our bitties, underbitties. Tickle, 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 tickle. And the tickle monster gets him everywhere. In the piggies, in the knobby knees, in the tum-tum, and in the necker. Yeah, we're going to get him everywhere.